Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Should probably intro my video. Yes, I am using the military pump tent. You're not seeing things. It's not an optical illusion. I wouldn't know how to do that anyway. Got a light little drizzle of rain, so if what people are telling me is true, it gets a little wet, it dries, it seizes up. I already sprayed it with wow, Scotch Guard. So it should be, as I almost trip and fall, should be good to go for the night. So I'm out here camping with some friends, and as you can see by the pooch, this guy, if you throw him the ball, he will always bring it back no matter what, for hours. So I kind of already made the mistake of throwing it a few times, because he won't leave you alone. Watch, guarantee he'll come running back as soon as he finds it. Did you get it? Oh, he's searching. I may actually get a moment of peace. Oh, I think he found it. Oh, that was like a whole 30 seconds. Oh, excuse me, 45. You got it? Of course you did. Oh. Even if you kick it out of the way, he'll still give chase. Well, I'm finished getting set up for the night, so he'll have to. Of course, he'll just set it by your feet every time and just start barking at you until you throw it again. So, good times. All right, I got my Country River Products ground sheet. This is going to be tonight's moisture barrier. My spare camera. Get this under here. I'm camping in style tonight, so I got the blue closed cell foam pad. This is going to be on the ground for protection, the ground cover. Then I got a reflective pad that's going to go underneath, just to redirect any warmth upward. Wow. Maybe I should build a bushcraft hat rack. There's never any place to put your hat. Ah. Alright, and then I got the Country River Products ground sheet. No, I'm sorry. Cascade Mountain Tech ground sheet. And this is just pure comfort. So I'm going to air this up off camera because you don't need to watch me blowing it up, because that would be kind of dull.